Hi everyone, and thanks for joining me today for another episode of what's in my Aliexpress basket. We have loads of gorgeous trims coming up for you. There is just one link to click on which will take you to the seller shop because there's too many things in here to be able to put all the links up. So just click on the link, it will take you there. So firstly, we have 5 pieces of colourful flower trim with a lovely dangle, 84p. Very colourful, very pretty, very dangly and gorgeous. This one is a little bit different. You have 10 3D diamond trim flowers for £1.49. So obviously you get a length that has 10 of these flowers for £1.49. Okay, the next one coming up, you have a choice of black or white, and it's 1 yard of chiffon pearl flower trim, £2.17. So you choose whether you want the white or the black. I have, of course, gone for the white ones. Then we have 1 yard of these large peach flowers, £2.48. Loving the colour of these, loving the blingy bits all over them. Just very pretty. You'll see in a minute a close-up picture, and they are just gorgeous. Look, with all these lovely gorgeous diamante things on them. Then we have 10 times 3D flowers, £1.35, and you have the white. This alternates the colour of the pink or the white flowers. And then 2 yards of this leafy flower trim is £3.18, and these are quite big appliques or motifs, whatever you want to call them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 star, I don't know. I think from that you get 10. I'm not sure. Right, this is 20 times vintage dangle flowers, £2.71. Aren't they beautiful? They are delicious, these ones. I love them. They're all delicious. All of them are delicious. Now we have 1 yard of peach or white flowers, £2.35. So you obviously choose which colour you want. I have gone for both because I couldn't make my mind up. Then we have 2 yards of large flowers with pearl centres, and they are £3.95. And they're a little bit different in their pattern. Very pretty. Got a gorgeous centrepiece in the middle here. Lovely pearl decorative embellishment centrepiece on those. And then if you like gold flowers, there's 5 yards of these gold flowers. Now they are huge, 8.5 centimetre by 14 centimetres. So they're £9.39 for 5 yards. So you will get a lot of flowers in those 5 yards. Then we have 1 yard of classic pearl flowers, £1.52. Now you'll see I've got quite a few different price ranges here, ranging from under £1 up to £10, but they are all worthwhile getting. Trust me. Okay, then we have 2 yards of this vintage daisy trim, £3.38. These lovely little star daisy flowers, very, very pretty. They are just super lovely. And then we have 2 yards of this pearl rose trim with a dangle on there as well, and they are £3.25 for the 2 yards. Then look at these 12 times 3D apricot flowers. They are 8.5 centimetres by 13 centimetres, which are big, and they are £2.89. See, I've even got the measurements for you today. I've been really good. And we have 50 diamond rhinestone flowers, £3.98. You get 50 of these flowers. What will you do with them all? You'll have to send me some photos and show me. And again, they have this beautiful centrepiece. Then we have this 1 yard of rose pearl trim, £2.41. Very, very pretty. Now, what do we have here? I can't remember what we've got coming up. Oh, okay, we have this shell dot trim, white or pink, and you choose whether you want 20 of the shells or 50 of the shells. 20 is £1.76 and 50 is £3.83. See, I've been very good today. I've not missed out no prices. I've also got measurements for some of these things. Then we have another rhinestone shell trim, 1 yard for £2.55. I haven't got any of the shell design trims, so I've got a couple here today. I love the pearls along there, and then you've got the diamante embellishment as well. More gold flowers. You have 2 yards of these gold flowers for £3.40. You get 2 yards. I don't know how many you get because I haven't had this one yet, so I will have to let you know. I love the little stameny, whatever you call them in the middle. Stamens, are they? Yeah. Right, 2 yards of embroidered dot pearl lace trim, £4.02. You can choose pink or white, another shell design, and you've got the pearls all along and the diamante, so you can choose what colour you want for those as well. Then we have 5 times these flowers, and they're £1.01, and they are 7 centimetres in diameter, just so that it gives you an idea of how big they are, because photos can be very deceiving. Then we have 1 yard of these 2-layer pearl butterflies for £2.87. I have quite a few butterfly trims, but this one was slightly different, being that it was 2 layers and had all these gorgeous pearls there as well. Beautiful. Then we have a more delicate butterfly trim, 1 yard of this vintage butterfly trim, £1.76. Now, obviously, if you're in this seller's store and you're a bit stuck, there is a search thing that you can click on and just put butterfly in. It will pull up all the butterflies, or, you know, from the description I've given you, I've tried to give you as much so you can just search. These are 10 times 3D diamond rhinestone trim, 90p. 90p for 10 of them. What do we have next? Okay, 1 yard of decorative flower trim. Now, these are nice colours, £1.69. They have a real sort of blingy centre on these. Really, really lovely. And you've got the different colours as well. Then we have 5 pieces of white pearl flowers, 89p. So as you can see, I've put some pocket money embellishments, trims in here as well. And then coming up, we have 1 yard of pink chiffon flowers. Delicious, £2.17. I love these. These are gorgeous. Look at that centre. Oh, love them, love them, love them. Then we have 20 times pearl rose flowers, £2.77, and they are 4.5 centimetres by 7.7 centimetres. So as you can see, they are a super lovely size. And we have these 20 pearl rose flowers. Oh no, sorry, 10 pieces of vintage rose trim, £1.37. The other one was the last one. So 10 pieces, vintage rose trim for £1.37. Very pretty. Then 20 of these white mesh trim flowers, £3.75. These are 10 centimetres in diameter, and these are super delicate looking. Look, they are just gorgeous. Oh, I love them. Love them. Then we have these 50-piece heart flowers. You get 50 of these for £6.68. I don't have the measurements of these, I'm so sorry, but they look like quite a nice big size, and I think you can choose between 3 colours: the deeper pink, the light pink, and the yellow. And then we have this, oh my god, this is yummy, 1 yard of flower and leaves trim for £1.40. Look at the gorgeous colours of this. Oh my goodness me. I just love it, love it, love it. Love it. Right, you get 20 pieces here of these colourful flower trim for £2.57, and you've got the 3 roses in here and the gorgeous flower background. And the last thing in my basket today are these lovely 50-piece diamond flowers. They are 60mm by 65mm, and they're £3.26. So a lovely size, gorgeous embellishment in the middle will make any project look just delicious. So thank you again for watching. I hope you've enjoyed today's episode. If you have, please like and subscribe and leave a comment if you want to. And I will see you all very, 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 very soon. So take care for now. Love you guys. Bye.